Hello, good morning. This is JBT Gihanon. Welcome back to my channel. We are in the subject called fluid mechanics at nasa statics tayo. Dalawa kasi fluid statics and fluid dynamics. Pero under sa ng subject or course na tinatawag na fluid mechanics. Okay, in some other engineering discipline, they call it hydrology. Hydraulics. Anyway, may tanong dito. Ang tanong, sabi rito, for a fluid, viscosity is defined as the constant daw yan, of proportionality between shear stress and other variables. Yan. Ito yung pagpipilian. A, time derivatives of pressure. Doble lang yung B, no? B, time derivative of density. C, spatial derivatives of velocity. D, spatial derivatives of density. So, what do you think is the answer? So, mamimili kayo, board exam, what will be the answer? So, alamin mo ngayon dapat yung definition or mathematical formula ng viscosity in terms of shear stress. So by definition, mathematical definition ito, yung shear stress is equal to the constant nga, no? Ito yan. Okay, times the derivatives of the velocity in terms of dy, dv dy. Okay, so in other words, yung sagot dito is viscosity, yung u mo, ayan, ito is the constant of proportionality between the shear stress and the gradient, spatial derivative of velocity. So the answer will be C, spatial derivatives of velocity. Di ba? Kasi ang mayayari dito, pag ito ay binreakdown mo into the equation, ang mangyayari dyan, yung constant na yan, yung viscosity will be equal to your shear stress. Di ba? Na ganyan. Parang T na malaki, no? Maiksi lang yan. Babaguhin ko lang. Will be equal to this guy here. Hindi. Wait lang. Nahirapan lang ako isulat yan. Okay, so it will be like this. Yan. Times dy. Dy yan over dv. Okay? Dy ito. So, yan na siya. So, ang sagot, C. Kasi, spatial derivatives of the velocity. Ito yung velocity mo. Derivative of velocity. So, that's all. Thanks. Bye.